Right, means here we are given in a rectangle, the perimeter is P and diagonal is D. Then what is length minus width? Basically, in a rectangle, we have to find the relation between length minus width and P and D. So L minus W we have to find in terms of P and D. This is pretty straightforward, just basic algebraic manipulation. Let's see, let's write all the formula and see. What is perimeter? Perimeter is 2 times length plus width. Right, length plus width. That is perimeter. Now, what is diagonal? Diagonal is length square plus width square is diagonal square. Right, this is simple Pythagoras theorem because in a rectangle, all four angles are 90 degrees. Right. So now let's do L plus W whole square, which is nothing but a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So L square plus W square plus 2LW. Right. This equals p square by 4. Right. Because L plus W is p by 2. L plus W whole square is p by 2 whole square, which is p square by 4. So we arrived at this result. Now with this, we can calculate what is 2LW. 2LW is p square minus L square plus W square is anyway d square. P square, sorry, p square by 4 minus d square. L square plus W square is d square. Right. So LW we are able to put in terms of P and D. Right. Now what is what? L minus W minus W whole square, let's do again, which is again equals L square plus W square minus 2LW. This 2LW we have already derived in terms of P and D. That is this. So L square plus W square is anyway D square. So if we replace this 2LW with this one, we get D square minus P square by 4 minus D square. Let's open this bracket. Then this D square will become positive. D square plus D square 2D square minus P square by 4. 4 times 2 8. 8D square minus P square by 4. So that is D square. Sorry, that is L minus W whole square. Sorry, there is a typo here. Here, this means L minus W, L minus W equals under root of this, which is under root 8d square minus b square by 2. Nice, guys. This is such a simple algebraic manipulation. Nothing else. Thank you, guys.